First, if you know about the physics, chemistry and biology and Ayurveda fundamentals, then any of the information mentioned in Ayurveda can be learned with deepest understanding. So, whenever if you want to have a deepest understanding, we have to follow the practice of minimalism. The term minimalism refers to we have to look into only one particular topic and we have to learn that particular topic from multiple angles. For example, the concept of dosha, we have to learn from the point of Kriya Sharira Rachana point of view, from the point of Kriya Sharira, from the point of Roga Nidana, from the point of the Rashya Surashtaji Kalpana, from the point of the Swastha Vrata, from the point of the Artha Tantra, from the point of the Kaya Chikitsa, from the point of Shalya Shalakya Tantra. So, like that, one particular topic from multiple angles, then we can have a deep dive understanding. So, when we want to have that particular deep dive understanding, we need to know some of the basic fundamentals. So, as far as the whole health is concerned, we need to know about what actually this functions are going to take place in a health, in a healthy individual. So, that means for that reason we need to know about the deep dive understanding of physiology. So, when you know about the physiology, then we have to have extended learning of the physiology. That is what we can say the pathology. That is extended physiology. That is we are going to learn about the pathology. So, then we need to know about what we say that the learning the further thing, that is the making the normalization of this particular pathological activities. So that means when you know about the physiology, then we are going to learn about the altered physiology. That is what is considered to be pathology. The next stage will be the restoration of altered pathology. That is what we can say, that is medicine. So that means the Kriya Sharira, Roga Nidana and Kaya Chikitsa. Then these are considered to be connected with one another with the simple term physiology. Then whenever if you know about the patient interaction, then we need to know about the patterns. What particular patterns a particular person is following. The term pattern refers to the repeatedly occurring events. So that means whenever a person is taking a particular nidana, so that means how frequently he is consuming that particular or exposed to that particular nidana, so that is counting a lot whenever if you are making the what is actual diagnosis. For example, if a person is taking 200 ml of sour buttermilk at 10 p.m., definitely that will be having an impact on increase of pitta dosha in the body. Suppose if the person is continuously consuming for a period of 7 days or 10 days 200 ml of curds, sour curds, then we are likely to infer that the person may develop pitta dosha increase in the body. Suppose if the person is adding some amount of salt or pepper to that particular sour buttermilk, and if he is increasing the amount, for example 300 ml, then there may be a possibility of the pitta dosha vitiation to a maximum extent. So this is how we can able to look into those patterns. So that means the significance of knowing the pattern is we can check the particular pattern. So that means stop that particular pattern. In turn, we can have a creating a new pattern. In this instance, stopping the sour buttermilk consumption as well as the pattern creation, that is simple consumption of what do you say, the simple warm water or simple warm milk, etc. That can be considered as a new pattern creation. So actually the learning Ayurveda is nothing but applying this particular knowledge with physics. That is, application of physics is main component, main fundamental of learning Ayurveda. Whenever if you practice learning Ayurveda, follow one particular mentor. So why so this is important? Nowadays multiple or millions of informations are available in Ayurveda. So each and every person is having their own point of view. And if you are trying to listen all those informations, then It is just like you are keeping your leg in multiple boats. So when you are keeping the legs in multiple boats, definitely you are not going into the single direction. You may fall in the river or sea where you are standing there. Hence, following one particular mentor is very essential to know about his past thought processes, present thought processes, and what maybe his future thought processes will be. That can be very well understood. So the next point is, whenever if you are learning Ayurveda information, you have to learn Ayurveda information as it is. And when you are learning Western information, you are going to learn Western information as it is, and try to connect those informations at regular intervals. And if you are able to connect these two informations at all those regular intervals, then that may suggest we are moving in the right direction. Hence, so connecting those informations at multiple levels, that is very important. And lastly, learning Ayurveda should be like learning a new language. So new language in the sense, most frequently used words, we are going to learn those informations in a deep dive understanding. Then next, that is less known words, then less known words. In that way, we can learn Ayurveda like learning a new language.